how to learn to dance cha-cha-cha in the most easy and simple way. So first, we start with the marching in place. Anyone can march in place. We're just gonna step, do walks in place. Walk, 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 walk. Very easy. So second thing, what we're gonna do, we will put rhythm of cha-cha-cha into this walk. So the rhythm of cha-cha-cha is gonna be 2, 3, cha-cha-cha, 2, 3, cha-cha-cha. So we go step 2, step 3, then we have a cha-cha-cha, and 2, 3, and a cha-cha-cha, and a 2, and a 3, and a cha-cha-cha, and a 2, and a 3, and a cha-cha-cha. Let's try together with the music. Tick, tick, cha-cha-cha. Tick, cha-cha-cha. Tick, tick, cha-cha-cha. Cha-cha-cha. Good. Very good. So now that's already simple idea. Okay, so, but when we dance, we're not always in place, we're gonna move somewhere. So let's add to it the first element of dance. It's gonna call rock step. So what is a rock step? We're basically rocking from foot to foot, back and front. Rock step. Rocking step. We're rocking from the back to front. So we're gonna start with the right leg going back. We have a rock step, then we in place gonna do cha-cha-cha, cha-cha-cha. Then we're gonna add one more rock step forward with the left leg forward. Rock, step, cha-cha-cha. And we combine that together. Rock, step, cha-cha-cha, rock, step, cha-cha-cha, and a rock, step, cha-cha-cha, and a rock, step, cha-cha-cha. Excellent. So let's take it to the next level. We're going to add element number 2, which is called triple step. We already did something like a triple step, but triple step will travel to the side. So we have step 1, step 2, and step 3. This is a triple step. Step 1, step 2, step 3. And the triple step we're going to call cha-cha-cha. So we have a cha, and a cha, and a cha. Another side, cha, and a cha, and a cha. Now we combine rock step with the triple step. We get a side cha-cha basic. We have rock, step, cha, 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 rock, step, cha, 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 and a rock, step, cha, 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 and a rock, step, and a cha, cha, cha. Excellent. So next level, how to move now forward and back in cha-cha-cha. So of course, we know our basic step in place where we're just stepping in place. So we can use that step, and instead of being in place, we're slightly gonna progress forward, and we're gonna progress backward, doing our 3-step, our cha-cha-cha step. So let's try it forward. Cha, cha, front, cha, cha, back. Let's combine it with the rock step, and we have a progressive cha-cha basic. Cha, 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 and a rock, step, cha, cha, cha. In order to take it to the next level, make it look more professional, more advanced, instead of just a running step forward, we're going to introduce another element of cha-cha-cha, which is called lock step. It looks like this. You step forward, you crossing, have a Latin cross position, high heel, and then you exit. The same for the backward. You go back, cross, exit. Let's combine it with the rock step. Rock, step, cha, 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 rock, step, cha, cha, cha. So this is a small introduction to how to learn cha-cha-cha. For more information, follow my app right here to learn more and to be more happy and heart.